Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn or we are going to talk about and how to use the Hibob effectively. So in this video, I cannot really access the tool dashboard since we have to request for a demo or contact the sales in order for us to sign up for an account. But still, I'm going to walk you through to different discussion or different information that you need to know if you are planning to use this tool. So we have the core HR, the payroll, the talent, and the HR planning. So let's start with the core HR. Okay, so before we proceed with that, let's go to the pricing first. So I can show you. So here we can get the custom pricing by providing our business email and then our full name. So we have to submit our details in order for us to see the pricing as well. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, so now let's start with the core HR. So with the core HR, as you can see, we have the core HR system of record, smart workflows and approvals, e-sign and document management, time and attendance tracking, and real-time people analytics. So let's click on the learn more. That's right. So here we have the company homepage. All right. So the Bab social media like homepage is your central place for company info. View the birthdays, work anniversaries, and interesting stats about your company and your people, such as breakdown of gender and who like cooking, sports, or movies. There are also handy quick links to access the features you use the most. So for the people, and then the people and the directory of the org chart. So you can get lay of land. So those first few days at work can be awkward when you don't know your peers. So with the Bob's people directory, you can search employees, their photos, titles, and who they report to, and then you can view by site, department, or team. You can also streamline your HR processes. So you can save HR hours, admin time, and ensure that no detail is missed using the Bob's automated workflows. You can also create task lists in just a few clicks to cover important employee events such as pre-boarding, onboarding, and offboarding. You can also go digital to save time, so get your paperwork done remotely using the e-sign, Bob's electronic signature tools. You can add signatures, dates, initials, check boxes, and additional elements for employee contracts and other legal documents valid under EIDAS. Create templates from common forms that automatically fill in employee details from Bob, saving time and ensuring that all details are correct. And also keep everything organized and secure. So the Bob provides a centralized repository for all your HR documents, from employee contracts to company handbooks. All documents are organized and secured in the cloud so you can easily find what you are looking for. So here, HR data at your fingertips. So you don't need to be a data scientist to use the Bob's People Analytics. Their KPI dashboard includes the easy to understand real time employee data such as headcount, growth, rate, employee turnover, and more. Now let's proceed to the next point. Okay, so we have here now the payroll. So for the payrolls, you can see we have time tracking, benefits management, payroll integration, native UK payroll, and the tax compliance. Okay, so here for the payroll hub dashboard, so all of your payroll data all in one place. So ease the payroll process with the Bob's Payroll Hub, a centralized dashboard that automatically updates accurate payroll data in real time. So to make things even easier, the Bob's visual tracking and notifications help you verify your payroll changes when you're ready to run your payroll. Plug and play payroll. So Payroll Hub seamlessly integrates with leading global payroll providers. So you can see that right here, making running payroll easy. So Bob's out-of-the-box integrations are pre-configured to ensure a smooth payroll data transfer every cycle. You can also connect your payroll systems and not using one of the integrated payroll systems. So no worries because Payroll Hub connects with leading payroll systems via Payroll Connect and easy no-code setup wizard for third-party system. You can also set up payroll to meet your needs. So here, you can connect unlimited pay cycles to a single payroll system, migrate easily from one payroll system to another, and add additional payroll systems without disruptions. Next is okay, we have the talent. So for the talent, okay, so you can drive performance, engagement, growth in every stage of the employee journey. So we have hiring and onboarding, performance review and calibration, a powered company surveys, personalized learning programs, and talent analytics. Okay, so here everything you need to conduct a 360 degrees performance reviews. So the Bob provides a 360 degrees view of your people by incorporating their complete career timelines to the Bob activity goals and achievement into performance review, giving you the tools for a fair and unbiased review. So in a few clicks, you can also collect reviews from every angle. For the performance reviews your way. So with Bob, you get to choose how to run your performance, stay agile, and in control of every aspect of a review process to ensure accurate, seamless cycles. You can also empower your people to succeed. You can make the right people decisions by managing performance reviews, and Bob generates data that provides valuable insights about your employees, managers, and your teams. So let's proceed to the last one. Okay, so we have the HR planning. Okay, so for the HR planning, you can craft a people strategy that drives business performance. So you can plan headcount, reward talent, and unlock people powered growth. Okay, so for the position management, you can streamline your position planning process, build a single view of your position, both current and planned, and edit, postpone, or cancel positions as your plans evolve and change. Next, we have the workforce planning events. So you can prepare for any scenario. You can create multiple headcounts plans for any event or business strategy, such as opening a new site, a reorg, or an acquisitions. You can also prepare for multiple events simultaneously. Empower your managers to get involved by setting up events that align with their goals and include finance in the planning with budget management and allocation. And then lastly, we have the people analytics. So you can use your single source of truth, having access to data on your current workforce, such as hiring execution, growth, internal mobility, and backfill, provides you with insight that influence your hiring decisions with all your workforce planning information in one centralized location so you can hit the ground running. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.